thank you.
Friend.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. What's good, YouTube? It's me, Jeffy Bear. Woo! Woo! I've been waiting 2 weeks for this thing right here. I'm gonna show you guys, but before I get into it, I'm gonna show you guys a little update on my previous one I got before. Right now she's growing, she's good. She's not even a year yet, but like, you know, I love this kind of stuff. Like, this is like, if you guys know me, I used to keep a whole bunch of different shit in my crib. You know, I'm gonna give you guys a little update on her, and then I'll get into the new thing I got now. I'm not gonna expose anything now. I won't give you guys no hints, no nothing. You're just gonna have to think of what I got. For now, I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the one I got before. And so here she is. All right, so I got her out. Here she is. Oh, she's jumping. Honestly, I'm sure she's grown, but all right, so here she is. I see her every day, so I don't really see any difference. But here she is. Let it focus, yeah. She's definitely gotten bigger. You guys remember when she jumped in front of that camera? Oh, she's about to do it again. Yeah, she's getting bigger. She eats a lot. She's not even a year old, so yeah. Right now she's spazzing a little bit. I'll put her away and we'll get into the unboxing. Woo! Wow. Alright, so you guys see a box. I know right now you're confused on how she's able to breathe, how she's even able to live inside this box, but don't worry, it's good, it's good. Hundreds, if not thousands of animals are being shipped. Oh, I shouldn't say animals, like, oh, I guess animals too, but reptiles are being shipped throughout the world. Any given week, there's reptiles being shipped, whether it's a small box, a big box, any type of box. By the way, you guys see the flower here, it's a little touch, you know, a little flavor for the video. But back to what I was saying. So the animals are shipped in here. They even do shipping winter. It's not very common in the winter, but it has been done. The good thing is the shipping is only 1 day, so within 24 hours. Rare occasions it goes a little longer, but I'm sure nothing's happened. But yo, let's get her out this box. Oh, I need a knife though. All right, got a knife. All right, I don't want you guys to see my address though. All right, so before I fully open it and just show you guys how it looks like, that way you know. I don't want to tilt it too much, but you see here at the top it says live harmless reptile or animal, sorry. Just a couple stickers on the side to keep it upright. That way, you know, the animal is not just bobbling his head inside. But so yes, let me open this quickly. I don't want to wait any longer. Holy, this thing forever. I don't even see her in her mouth. So as you guys can see, they have styrofoam. So the styrofoam just to insulate it. Oh wow, she's here. Okay, so before I see her, this is the certificate that you get. So that's what she looked like when she was younger. Lay date, hatch date. So here she is. I do not see her still, but oh wow, I see her.
Oh my God! Wow!
Oh wow, you can hear her croaking. So I got her food dish for everything seems good. All right, so let's get her opened. Wow. I think she's mad. I mean, to be fair, she was in a box, so she's definitely stressed out, but we'll see how she is. Wow, you guys can hear her. She's making some sounds. Hold on. Okay, I don't even know how to grab her. I'm shooting bricks. All right. Whoa, Lee. She's coming out. Wow, absolutely beautiful. I'm scared, I don't know why. Wow, she's massive. Hey. Oh, you guys can hear that. Look, listen. Holy moly, she's running. When I say she's absolutely beautiful, she's making noises. You guys can hear that? Oh snap, she's not even in frame. Absolutely beautiful. You guys can hear that? She's making noises. I don't blame her. She's obviously been in a box. Holy shit, holy moly. But look at that. It's not really capturing her true colors, but it's almost like pink. Oh wow, you heard her scream. Or Whistle. My bad, my bad, my bad. Look at the coloration on that. She's big. Scientific name is Rhacodactylus leachianus. Wow, look at her. Wow, you can hear her whistling. Wow, I don't want to bother her too much, but right now she's obviously stressed. I don't blame her, but I'll leave her be in her enclosure, but you guys can see she's got the island she comes from again is New Caledonia. Pretty much the same as my other one, but they're not the same animal. They are two different species, but that one island has a whole bunch of different reptiles. Around that island they have other islands, and those islands also carry these guys. This gecko here came from off the coast of New Caledonia, and the island's called Ela Rami. N-U-U space A-M-I. These geckos are absolutely beautiful. Right now, I'll try to put a picture up when they're in a good mood. Their colorations like pop. Like it almost seems like it's a whole different gecko. Obviously, due to her being stressed out, she's definitely gonna be right now fired down, as they call it. But yeah, I'll leave her be. I'll put her in her enclosure. Let me grab it. Holy moly, she's running. Look at her compared to my arm. Holy moly. Boom! Holy shit, she's jumping everywhere. Alright, so here's her enclosure. It's temporary for now. I will be ordering like a nice PVC enclosure. I'll show you guys her enclosure after I put her in. So here she is in her enclosure. At least now you guys can see a better picture of her. Wow. She's like green, pink. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about her. If she was cool to look at, you know, if she's scary, just let me know. Give me some name suggestions, and then from there, we can give her a good name. I'll see you guys next week in another video. For now, I'm signing out. Later. Ooh.